Hey, Chef Brian here from the Gooder Cooking Show at Mari-Mann Herbs. We're back. Been on a little bit of a hiatus. That job thing seems to get in the way of me having my cooking shows, and I hate it. But we're back, and we've got some good ones. Oh, remember? Whoa, wait a minute. Hello, camera guy.
Man, you looking like a pink Oreo, bro, with the black and white and the pink.
It's blue, you dingus. You need to go back to school and get an education.
Man, I can't see.
Okay. Hey, I got one for you. So I was listening to these two...
Dummy heads.
Okay, you're right. A couple of goofballs that we listen to on the radio, 101 FM here in Decatur, Illinois, Scott Busboom and Doug Wolfe. And you ever heard the comment, they have faces for radio? But hey, they were talking about something, and I said, I'm going to steal an idea from them. We're going to cook today for you, ladies and gentlemen, because one, because I've been doing this a very long time, and two, I hate doing dishes. We're going to cook on the barbecue pit in aluminum foil, Alan.
Okay.
They were talking about on the radio the other day the two different sides of aluminum foil. It doesn't matter, but there's a cooking process from way back in the day in food history called on paupiette. It's to bake something that's very, very thin, very, very small cut, and it's baked in paper in the oven, and it usually has like a wine broth or something on the inside. So we're going to do something similar to that using, because the food isn't going to be good enough, Alan, if it doesn't have its right gooder. You with me?
Well, we gotta stay, consistent with product.
It's gooder, you know what I'm saying? It's got to be gooder. So here's what we're going to do. You ready?
You sure?
So I got my foil. I got two pieces because I want to make sure I have plenty of room. But what I like to do is get a little seam so it seals them, the two little pieces together, right? And we're going to show you one with chicken and one with vegetables, just so we don't get any mail saying, you never do anything with just vegetables and do vegetarian. We're doing some, okay? So relax. Here we go. We're going to do the vegetable first. What do I have? I broke out my very, very good friend, the mandolin. I got some turnips. Just going to lay some turnips down. So the turnips go in, right? Check these. Are those not fun? Carrot. Cut them on my mandolin. Just for some fun and some shapes, right? No big deal. I've got, well, wait a minute. Sweet potato.
Yes.
Got to have a little sweet tater in there, right? So got a little sweet potato. We'll put a little bit of asparagus in there. Very nice. Then we'll throw just a little bit of regular potato in there too. Just, to have some fun. Right? Alan's favorite. Sugar snap peas. So sugar snaps. And then my favorite, we're going to put a big old mushroom, portobello mushroom cap. Now here we go. You ready for it? Got some liquid margarine. We're just going to pour that all over the top. You could use vegetable oil. You could use extra virgin olive oil. I'm using liquid margarine, right? Whatever you want. Have fun. But here's the kicker. You ready, Alan?
What that?
Gooder grilling spice. Breaking it out, baby. So here,
to the camera, bro.
oh, Gooder grilling. Okay. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put a nice, healthy amount on there, so that can get all nice and happy all the way through there, right? So here's what you're gonna do, folks. So then it goes over the top, and then you're just gonna fold it underneath. Just like so, and you're going to make a pillow. And what we're going to do is, now I'm going to do one with chicken for you, and then we're going to take a commercial break, and then we're going to go put them on the barbecue pit, and then we'll show you the end product. About 45 minutes to bake, okay? So here comes the next one. So I got my foil again, right? Just regular old foil off the shelf. No, nothing special. Don't, oh my gosh, I got to call, wherever to get, no, it's just regular old aluminum foil. This was some that I stole from Liz. Don't tell her though, I stole it from her. I'll give it back to her when we're done. Okay, so what we're gonna do?
Is that how that works?
It's gonna work this time. I'm gonna lay down my carrots. Right? Carrots go down. We're gonna throw some asparagus in there. I love asparagus. One of my favorites. Gonna throw some more potato in there. Gotta throw potato in there, right?
Yeah.
Gotta have some tater.
Gotta
Some
have
sweet
tater.
tater. Gotta have a little sweet tater in there. I got really fun cut turnips here as well, right? Alan's favorite. Gotta have a few sugar snap peas in there. But here it comes, folks. Some chicken tenders. Oh, wait a minute, Alan. Hold on. Where did we get the chicken tenders from, though?
Aldi's.
We had to go out and try to see our friend Brenda from Aldi's, but once again, she
there.
wasn't there. I really think she's loafing anymore. Went out to my friends at Aldi's, where I got the chicken. So here we go. Here comes the oil again. On goes the liquid margarine, right? Vegetable oil, extra virgin olive oil. You could use real butter if you wanted, whatever you want to do, right? The Gooder grilling seasoning goes on. You with me, folks? And here we go. Over the top. Over the top. Underneath. And underneath. And we've got a cooking vessel to roast our chicken. And what we're going to do, just to make sure we don't mess up, chicken, vegetable, right? So we're going to go up to the farm. We're going to throw these on the barbecue pit that's preheated. We're going to put the lid on it. We're going to walk away for about 45 minutes. And we're going to let them bake, and then we're going to come back to you in part 2 of the video to show you our aluminum foil. Scott Busboom and Doug Wolfe, Talk 101 FM here in Decatur, Illinois, they were talking about, and they inspired me to do this, and how fun this can be. You can do this all year round. You could do this in your oven if you wanted to. But we wanted to show you and have some fun with it. We got some Gooder on there, Gooder grilling seasoning. We are good to go. We're going to bake this up and have some fun. We'll be back here in a little bit. Always remember, thank a veteran. That's why we get to have these little videos. Cooking Gooder will bring the love out in your food, and always, always, always respect the blue line. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye now.